In this video I'm just going to show you this tiny little amplifier. It's 3 watts and runs off 5 volts. Currently I have it plugged in via USB, so it's working off the computer's power. And I bought it for £2 posted from China on eBay. I'll post a link in the description. The reason why I'm showing you this is because it's very impressive. That's the size compared to my thumb. So as you can see, it's, well, tiny. So what I'm going to do is show you just how loud it is for its size. The audio is coming from the computer to the amp and then going to the speaker. Obviously it's being powered by USB. So as you can hear, it's quite loud. And it's all from that little amp, the size of my thumb. Very loud. Wow. Okay, so as you can hear, incredibly loud. For its size, they should build these into MP3 players or something.